Namaskar, my dear students, class 10. I welcome you to our channel Mind Mapping. You know our handle at the rate MNMP2024. Today we have taken two mathematical problems from your examination point of view. One from your textbook, that is the question number 1, and the other is from your exam paper or previous year exam paper. Okay. Our intention is to compare how your textbook questions are being set in your examination just by modification of some data and some aspects. So this question which has been asked in your exam has been tuned with reference to your original textbook problem. So our intention is to appeal you, to request you, please be thorough about your textbook that has been prescribed by the examining body for your examination. Thereafter, you may refer any other commercial book, any other reference book. You have no objection. Okay, that is up to your abilities. So let's discuss. The first problem: a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 semi. This is important. So that the segment, the segment BD and DC are of length 6 semi and 8 semi respectively. Means BD 6 semi, DC 8 semi respectively. Find out AB and AC. And this is an important term. So you please first locate the key terms or the directional terms or the directional words that have been given in your question. Okay, this is very important. Then let's solve. And it is your textbook problem. You might have done it. You might have worked it out. So let us solve it. So first you write given data. So ABC triangle and the circle radius is 4 semi and BD 6 semi, DC 8 semi. Okay. And by way of construction, let's join OA, OB, OC. Okay. So ABC is a triangle. So from the data, we find actually BD 6 semi and DC 6 semi. So BC is 8 plus is 16 semi. So you see B plus C means B plus BC, B plus BD plus DC is equal to BC is equal to 14 semi. It is given. Okay. So you see BD plus DC 8 plus 6 16 semi, it is already given. Now you see the triangle has three vertices A, B, C, and you see B is an external point and BE, so you name it E and F, BE and BD or BA or BC are two tangents drawn from an external point BE. So as per our theorem, we know BD is equal to BE. So we have mentioned here BD is equal to BE. Okay. So BD is equal to BE. Similarly, DC is equal to CF. Okay. So you see, so ABC is a scalene triangle. How is scalene triangle? You see, it is 16 semi and this is 6 semi and this is CF 8 semi, and according to the same logic, A is an external point and AB and AC are two tangents. So if AE is X semi, let X semi, so AF is also X semi. Now we get AB 6 plus X, you see 6 plus X semi, and AC, that is AC is equal to 8 plus x semi, that is AB is equal to 6 plus x semi and BC 14 semi. Now we got three sides of triangle ABC are not equal, are unequal, not unequal, unequal. So we say it is a scalene triangle. So how to find out the area? We have to apply Heron's formula. So you see the Heron's formula, that is area of a triangle AB is S into S minus A into S minus B and S minus C. These are three factors. So root over, whole root over. So what is A and what is B, what is C? Let us know. Now you see the vertex A, the opposite side B is denoted as A. Okay, this is A, we have marked here. And this side opposite the B, this is small b, and this is small c. You see small b and here A. Okay. Now the total perimeter is A plus B plus C, and AC is the half perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. We have mentioned here A plus B plus C by 2. So let's find out the half perimeter S. So now AB is 14, sorry, BC is 14, BC 14, then AB 6 plus x, okay, 6 plus x, then AC 8 plus x. So S we get, so 8, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 14, 28 plus 2x. So taking common 2, we get 14 plus x by 2. Now 2 cancel, we get 14 plus x, that is 14 plus x, that we get, that is small s. Okay. So that is the half perimeter. Now let us put the value here to find out the area of a scalene triangle ABC. This is important. Now area of ABC, you write this. So S means you apply here 14 plus x, S minus A, here S is 14, here S is 14 plus x minus A is 14, okay, A is 14. Then S minus B, here S is 14 plus x minus B, here B 8 plus x, you see 8 plus x. Then S 14 plus x minus C, that is 6 plus x. So now let us solve it, that is simplification. So 14 plus x factor, so 14 cancel x, then eliminating the brackets we get 14 plus x minus 8 minus x, okay, and here 14 plus x minus 6 minus x. You can actually omit that step, but for your clarification, for your understanding, we have explained. Okay, 14 plus x, this is curly bracket x, you see x cancel, plus x minus x. So 14 minus 8 6, and here plus x minus x cancel, 14 minus 6 8. Now we get and whole root over, then whole root over. So now we get 14 plus x into 6 8 6 8 yeah, 6 80 6 into 8 48 x. So the area of the triangle, the scalene triangle ABC, that is 14 plus x root into 48x. Actually don't multiply it, you keep it. Then come to another, the first phase is over. This is up to the first phase, and the second phase, what we have to do. Now look at, actually you see triangle OBC, the area of triangle OBC plus the area of triangle OAC plus the area of triangle OAB. So is equal to the area of the triangle ABC. This is important. You see, we have mentioned here the area of a triangle ABC is equal to area of the triangle OBC, you see OBC plus area of the triangle OAB, that is OAB this side, plus area of the triangle OAC. Now clear, this is LHS side, that is RHS side. Left hand side LHS, this is RHS. Now you see, simply you write this because we have already got the area of the triangle ABC, we have already got. Now put it here, 14 plus x into 48x whole root over. Now apply the formula how to find out the area of a triangle, that is half base into height or perpendicular height. So apply this formula. This is OBC. First consider OBC. Half base is BC, that is 14 into height 4. It is already given radius, okay? Because from the radius to the point of contact, that is the shortest distance and that is the height or perpendicular, that is as per the theorem, okay? Now that is actually 14 into 4, then plus OAB. Let us consider OAB, the half plus you see base 6 plus x into 4, and this is height, okay, OE, plus for this side OAC, half 8 plus x base into 4. Now solve it, and this is same. Now you see 2 cancel, 14 into 28 plus you see 2 cancel here. So 2 multiplied, because this is an expression that is within bracket, 2 is multiplied with each term, that is 12 plus 2x, 2 into 6 12 plus 2x, plus here you see 2 divides 4, 2 into 8 16 plus 2x. Now clear? So finally we get, you see 12 plus 16 28, 28 plus 28 56, and 2x plus 2x 4x. Now taking common 4, we get 14 plus x, 14 plus x. Now now we got a clue how to solve it. Then actually don't try to find out the square root, okay? Sorry, the root over of this, the root over of this actually 2 factors. So keep it here, 14x into 48x, 48x is equal to 4 into 14 plus x. We have mentioned here SBS means squaring both the sides, and if we square, so square root, the root over, that is eliminated, removed, okay? So this side will be squared, okay? The power will be 2, okay? Now this side 14 plus x into 48x, okay? And this side will be 4 power 2, that is 16 into 14 plus x into here is a clue, 14 plus x whole square, that is 14 plus x, a plus b whole square, that is an identity, but actually don't apply that. So that is a plus b into a plus b. Why? Because you see here in the left hand side there is a factor 14 plus x, so we can eliminate one factor, so this factor is eliminated. So now we got actually 48x once, 48x and 16. 16 plus x into 48x is equal to 16, 4 power 2, that is 16 into 14 plus x into 14 plus x. So one factor is eliminated on the both sides. So we divide 16, we actually by transposition you see 16, 48 divides 16, so it is actually 3x, 3x is equal to 14 plus x. So by transposition, taking x from RHS to LHS, so 3x minus x to twice x is equal to 14, so x is equal to 7 cm. Now we got this is 7 cm and this is 7 cm. Now you see AB 6 plus 7 13 cm and AC 8 plus x 8 plus 7 15 cm. This is 15 cm and this is actually 13 cm. Now we got the answer. So this problem is given in your prescribed NCERT textbook, but let's switch over to another problem which has been checked, which has been asked in your class 10 examination. So let's read the question. Let's compare and let's find out the difference. A triangle ABC, same thing, is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm, no change, radius 4 cm, such that the segment BD and DC are of 10 cm. Use your data change, 10 cm and 8 cm respectively, okay? So here it was 6 BD and 8, but here 10 and 8, that is nothing, same thing. find the length of AB and AC. We have to find out AB and AC. Similarly, here we actually we were required to find out AB and AC, AB length and AC length. Okay, and let's compare here. But another condition is already given. So if it is given that area of the triangle is 90 square, so means the first part up to this the answer is given. Mean the solution is given. So up to this you are not required to solve. It is already solved. Okay. So half of your task is reduced. Now actually apply the same formula. So given ABC triangle, so OD, this is OD, the radius 4 semi, BD 10 semi, DC or CD 8 semi, and the area of ABC 90 square centimeter. Okay. Now you see, so BD is equal to BE, BD is BE. You see, we have mentioned here because B is an external point and BE are two tangents. Okay, BD and BE and BD, and D and E are the point of contact. So 10 semi. Similarly, DC is equal to CF 8 semi, and let AE is equal to AF, AE is equal to AF as per the same logic because A is an external point. Okay, so AB sorry AE AF let equal X. Now we get, so AB is equal to 10 plus X, AB, so you see 10 plus X, and AC is 8 plus X, that is 8 plus X, and BC 10 plus 8 18, that we have mentioned here. Okay, so three sides, this is in terms of variable, this is in terms of variable X, and this is already given. So our task, our duty, so our focus is to find out the value of X so that we can easily find out the length of AB and AC. Now apply this, the area of triangle ABC, because ABC is a scalar triangle, three sides are not equal. Okay, so that is not necessary, we are not required to apply this Heron formula, it is already done. Okay, so let us apply the basic concept. The area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle OBC, this triangle, plus area of OAB, that is OAB, this triangle, and the area of OAC, this triangle. The sum of three triangles, area of sum of three triangles is equal to the area of the triangle ABC, and the area of the triangle ABC is already given. Let's put it, 90 square centimeter is equal to let's find out the area. So area of first OBC, so half BC, BC means 18 into 4, okay, plus half 10x, that is which triangle? OAB, you see OAB, so this is 10 plus x, 10 plus x into 4, that is half 8 plus x into 4. Now you see this is same. Now it is simplification only, so 2 divides 4, 4 divides 2 divides 4, that is 2, so that is 36, and 2 divides 4 2, that is 20 plus 2x, this is an expression, and 2 is multiplied with each term. This is important because some students they commit mistake here, and here you see 2 divides 4 2, 2 is multiplied with 8 and x, 16 plus 2x. Now solve it. So 20 plus 16, you see 36 plus 36 72. Okay. Then 2x plus 2x 4x. Okay, so simply 4x you keep it on the right side RHS, and by transposition 90 minus 72, 72 is taken to from right side to RHS to LHS, so is subtracted, so we get 18. So x is equal to 18 by 4, that is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is 4.57. So now you get x is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now add it. So AB, so AB is equal to BE plus AE. So you see that is 10 plus x, 10 plus x, that is 10 plus 4.5, that is 14.5 centimeter. What is side, not square centimeter, centimeter. But AC, that is 8 plus x, 8 plus x, 8 plus 4.5 centimeter, that is 12.5 centimeter. We got two sides. Now you see what difference did you observe? That is the logic. Here you see this Heron's formula, applying the Heron's formula and to find out the area of a scalar triangle, that is ABC, is not required to be, no, it is not required to be done here. It is already given. And you please apply this formula and this concept so that we can easily arrive at the solution. My point is we students actually we avoid examples, we avoid text questions, and we rely upon some reference books without our basic concept, without our basic knowledge. You see some people say, some students say, even some teachers argue, no, questions are not set from the textbook. I was associated with this business for a long time, but I know textbook is the only source. But the actual question has been tuned, has been modified. So it is within the reach of the average students, they can do it. And this question carries 5 marks for these steps. Okay. So this is the comparison between two questions, one from textbook and one from the previous year question paper. Now you are happy. I think you would be happy to know that our textbook is the prime source of our knowledge. Don't avoid your textbook. Take the help of your teacher, not tutor, of your teacher. Make your concept clear and go bit by bit as per the directions, as per the concepts, as per the guidelines given in your prescribed textbook. Thereafter, you may enlarge your knowledge horizon by going through referring different reference books or commercial books as maybe or previous year question paper example or etc. So without foundation, don't try to do that. But I find many students, they ignore the textbooks, they just switch over to the commercial books and some reference books. So that will be very means actually dangerous to them in exam situation or in exam hall. Okay. Thus, this is our discussion and this is a comparison, and please feel free to give us your considered opinion or feedback in your comment box. So we shall improve our program and our presentation and in different subjects. So in each subject we shall present our comparison of textbook and your previous year question papers for your benefit. So please stay tuned to watch our series of videos. Thank you.